Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Good evening once again, and welcome back to my channel. And if you are new to my channel, you are definitely welcome. You're most definitely welcome. I'm really excited for tonight because I'm going to show you this wonderful chain tassel earring. Yeah, I don't know, with the other tutorial I used the same bead, and I'm using the same bead today as well because I don't know, I have this effect on this color with the brass color because they match really well together. They give this rich, rich feel. That's how I feel. I don't know about you, but the main important thing is to how to do this earring. It may look complicated, but it's not at all. So please stick and stay with me, and let's get started. Okay, so with today's tutorial, these are my materials. Now I'm going to use I've already cut this brass. I'm using brass for my chains. I'm using brass for my eye pin, okay, as well, and I'm using brass for my hooks. Yeah, so brass all the way. Yeah, so this chains measure like 1.3 inch, and they are 6 in number. They are 6 in number. I've already cut them, and then you can also use silver or gold if you want. And then my other material is this now I used to say gemstone, but I don't know really because I got this from a local shop, and I see it as a glass bead, but it looks gem to me as well. Well, but it's quality anyway because of the price. It's quality, and it doesn't fade, or it doesn't break easily or anything. It's quality, and it measures about 6 to 8 millimeter. And then I'm also going to use this brass end caps here. I'm also going to use, I think I've already showed this, I'm going to use this eye pin. I made this from this ball pin. I created it already from this ball pin. And then yeah, if you're wondering how I do this, you need to check my other tutorials. I think the tutorial before this one, I created similar things like this. Yeah, so let's get started. Now this is a really simple tutorial where you don't have to worry about it at all. Now you see this eye pin. Now there are eye pins which are already made. You can also make one for yourself as well. I think with the next tutorial I may do a tutorial on this again. So you see, now I'm going to, with this small opening here, I'm going to slide my chains on them. They are 6 in number, and they measure around 1 to 1.3 inches each. So I'm going to put them like so, one by one. I didn't really open it so big so that it should not be, the opening should not be too big. Why, what's happening? Yeah, so all right, let me just give it a little bit. Yeah, one, two, three, four, 5, and then 6. Then from here you close, you hold this side, okay, and then you close. And then from there you should, turn it around to see if it's going to fall. Now this pin here is quite thick. I don't know the length or the thickness of it, but it's quite thick. It's quality, but I didn't really read the thickness, yeah. So it's when you close it like this, is sometimes it's difficult for, not sometimes, but it's difficult for anything that is around it to fall, okay, after. So you just have to turn it around to see if it's easy, if it's okay on it, and that's after it can hold firmly. So the next thing to do is to put your end cap. Now after doing this, you may realize that this is not really standing well, so don't worry about it. As time goes on, it's going to stand. The next thing to do is to put your end cap facing from the back, like so, okay, and then followed by your bead, like that. It's so easy. Followed by your other bead, like this. So when you are going to now I'm going to create a loop for the to hold the hooks, the earring hooks. So it should be quite tight, so that even if it's bending from inside, it can straighten up. So what I do right now is I had to bend from this side. Yeah, I have to make sure that it doesn't bend from inside, okay, like that. Okay, so I'm going to cut from this side of my finger. Yeah, then I'm going to create my loop. Now before I close my loop, now I need to cut it a little bit because I think it's quite big. Okay, so, all right. Tip is quite sharp. Yeah, so before I close it, I need to put my hook, like so, and then I close. Yeah, I'm not perfect in these things, so please pardon me. Yeah, and then we have it's not very perfect, but it looks good, doesn't it? Yes. So this is my other pair. Now we have a beautiful pair of earrings, chain tassel earrings. Yes. You can do this at home. If you are in business, I think you could make like 20 in a day if you want, because it looks really good. It's on camera, so you don't really see how good it looks, but it looks rich, it looks classy, you could take this to special occasions really, and somebody would think maybe you bought this from Dior or Gucci or something. Really, this looks really nice. Yeah, it looks very, and this kind of color is not very common. You don't really see so many people wearing this kind of color. Yeah, you really see, sometimes you see silver, you see gold, but for brass it doesn't really come that common, you know. Yeah, so please, if you want more videos of this kind, please subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell so as to receive any new videos that's come up. Thank you very much, and may God bless you. See you in the next video. Bye bye.